What up, people? Beautiful day in Ohio. Wanted to show you what I got done the other day. I put on these new LED lights, but as I was putting them in, I noticed this side wasn't blinking. So I found out that this blinker here the bulb was blown, as you can see. Pretty dark. So I ordered some new LEDs for that too, because they were real faint, and I want to be lit up pretty strong. And I put in the new headlights, LEDs, and it has the running lights around there, and their turn signals in there too. So I got those in. There's that light on. So that's something quick I did, put them in real quick. Now up here, I'm gonna have my Sasquatch light go across there, and I'm gonna change those to, I might block those off, and then I'll have my clearance lights as well. I got LED for those too. So I'm up in the air. You know what? In the comments, let me know what you think, if I should block those out or maybe put some LEDs with white covers on it. Use them for like spotlights, I guess. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I want your suggestions in the comments. All right. I'll let you know what else I'm doing. Peace.